Thank you for checking out RAIDLOG.com. RAID, short for Risks, Actions, Issues, and Decisions, is critically important for successful project management. While other project management tools focus on the plan, that's not where projects actually go wrong. Projects run into problems because of unmanaged risks, forgotten action items, out of control issues, and bad decision making. Now, project managers have been using RAID logs to successfully run and rescue projects for decades, but project managers have always had to fall back to a spreadsheet to manage RAID. And that's okay, but spreadsheets do have limitations. They're hard to collaborate with, they're impossible to report on across multiple projects and portfolios, limited ability to manage access, you can't track historical changes, they're not relational, and the problems go on and on. And that's why we built RAIDLOG.com, the only tool purpose-built to be the best RAID log management solution on the planet. Let me give you a quick tour. Here we are at RAIDLOG.com, and I've got a couple of projects. To see the projects you have, go to the Projects module, and you can see your 2 projects. Here I've got. If you would like to add more, it's pretty easy. You click the plus icon, and you can define all the metadata for your projects. If you're new to RAIDLOG, our setup checklist in the center of the view will walk you through the process of creating projects, risks, issues, and other objects. Let's take a closer look. When I go into my project overview, I can see on the right a timeline, which gives a complete history of everything that's happened in this project and all related RAID items. And here at the bottom, we can also add comments and collaborate. And here on the button bar on the bottom, you can quickly hop to risks, actions, issues, and decisions. Let's start with risks. For all RAID items, we have a simple grid view that's like a spreadsheet. You can hide or show columns. You can rearrange them, move them around. You can even resize columns if you like. You can even export the grid to an Excel spreadsheet. Soon we'll also have the ability to import. Although it's really easy to create and edit your RAID items through the grid view, you can also click on one of them and go to the detail view, which is really nice for collaboration with your stakeholders and your sponsors. Give you a very rich informational view, a checklist to help you through the process, and a timeline of all the events that have happened for this item. For risks specifically, we have the ability to click a button to convert a risk into an issue. Actions and issues work the same way. I have a really easy to use grid view, and I can click into any one of these items and update the status directly in the detail view. For any item in the system, you can also create related items. So here I have an issue, and I can create a related action item. And now I can see this action item when I go to my Actions tab. And I can also see that it's related to that issue. Decisions are similar, but with one really great added feature. To help you make effective decisions, we include a T-chart. So for a decision, you can build out each of the available options, the benefits, and the drawbacks for each to drive productive conversations with your decision makers. You can even tick off decisions as you make them. Now let's talk about our all-up views. One of the weaknesses of spreadsheet-based RAID logs is that it's nearly impossible to aggregate and report on them across different RAID log spreadsheets. But with RAIDLOG.com, that's no problem at all. We have all-up grids, which show you all of the risks across all of your projects, all of the action items, all of the issues, and all of the decisions. And you can even export these to a spreadsheet. We even have an all RAID item grid, which shows all risks, actions, issues, and decisions across all of your projects. And that's RAIDLOG.com. Sign up today and step up from your old spreadsheet-based RAID logs at RAIDLOG.com.